13th of June 2023 we have Lindövägen 5, building B. But we need to get to the building A as well because it has the classic VR, Connie M type of techniques there, as you've seen in Sweden. But we need to film it next year, hopefully, if it's still not destroyed by them. It's in Norrköping, Östergötland, Sweden. We have 2 series 1 elevators here, which we can still do now. Beautiful chime. Some floors here, it was built in late 1989, finished in 1990. And it's numbers 74, 49, 68. The capacity is 30% of those grams, all Europe, 2001. Series 1 pictures. Also flooded water. Doesn't have the braille stuff like we have filmed in another building nearby. Another 90. Stockholmsgatan. It's a bit slow for some floors.
Yeah.
So I thought about taking maybe one out because I don't know if we have enough time or.
Probably 2 right still.
And I also need to save some energy.
Yeah.
It's too slow. It's too slow.
But so you don't have charger or?
I have it.
So why you have to save? Because this.
I put it on while I'm filming.
Yeah.
It might affect it. And hopefully it's coming.
Yeah. Is did by the grant maintained by Coney.
Yeah. And the lights are original.
Yeah.
Okay.
E or
-1.
yeah.
We can change there.
Yeah.
good for China.
Yeah.
It's also built in 1989, finished in 1990 with 7 floors. Otis Europe 2001, for series of pictures. It's in number 74 and 4969. This video is getting quite long actually.
Yeah. But these are better than M-series setup, so I want to take 2 rides still.
Yeah, of course, they are better. They're more rare,
Yeah.
especially with the animated indicator.
Yeah. And time also.
Because the chime was not in use at the Lindövägen building.
Yeah.
And actually, I don't think anywhere else where we've been filming in Norrköping the Series 1 yet.
Yeah.
So this is the only place where it is still in use so far.
Mm. Inspected by the grant, maintained by Connie.
Just too bad they made them this slow.
Yeah.
Because quite often, in that era, around the year 1990, Series 1 were made often faster.
Yeah.
So it's a bit weird. But maybe Europe 2001 was a little bit of a cheaper version of this. Except that animated indicator doesn't feel cheap.
Yeah.
Or not animated, but animating. But
Yeah. But in Prisma Kerava, Otis 2001 was 2 times faster and it had only 5 floors.
yes, that's true. It's a question of efficiency. That's it, thank you very much.
That's